Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nikki with MontanaCrochetCreations.com. I post crochet tutorials every Wednesday and Saturday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to do a single crochet decrease. This is a very common pattern, or common stitch I should say, that you would want to know. It's used a lot in making things for hats and everything like that. So a few things that you're gonna need. You'll need your crochet hook. I'm gonna use a 5mm crochet hook today. And you're going to need some number 4 worsted weight yarn. Any scrap yarn that you have on hand will work, since we're just gonna be doing a sample piece. So let's move this off to the side and grab our yarn here. And we're gonna start with our slip stitch. We're just going to chain 10. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do a single crochet row. So let's insert our hook into that second chain, and we're just going to single crochet. And we'll single crochet all the way to the very end. This will give us some stitches that we can start our decrease row in. Alright, so we're at the end. We are going to chain 1 and turn our work. Now we are going to start our decrease. So basically what a decrease means is we're going to take 2 stitches and we're going to crochet them together. So in this case, we're going to single crochet this chain 1 space and this next stitch. We're going to single crochet both of those together. So we're going to insert our hook into that chain 1 space. We're going to draw up a loop. Then we're going to insert our hook into this very next stitch here, and we're going to draw up a loop. We now have 3 stitches or 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. We've just crocheted these 2 stitches together to make 1 stitch. So now we'll place 1 single crochet in every stitch until we come to the very last 2. So we're at our last regular single crochet stitch, and now you see that we have these 2 stitches right here. We're going to single crochet both of those together. Yarn, pull through all 3 loops, and now we've single crocheted that together. So let's chain 1 and turn our work. Now we'll just place 1 single crochet in each stitch, and this is pretty common whenever you're doing a decrease row. Normally you'll do your decrease row, and then you'll have a row of just single crochet stitches, and then you'll do a decrease row, and then you'll have your regular stitches that goes all the way across. Alright, so at the end of that row, so let's chain 1, turn our work. Now we're going to decrease again. So we're going to single crochet these first 2 stitches together. We'll single crochet in the next, next 4 stitches. Is it? Nope, the next 3, sorry. And then we're going to single crochet these last 2 stitches together. So we have another decrease. Next we'll chain 1, and we'll place 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across. Chain 1, turn our work, and let's do 1 more row of single crochet 2 stitches together for our decrease. So we just single crocheted those first 2. We'll place 1 single crochet, and then we'll single crochet these last 2 stitches together. Chain 1, and then if you were going to continue, you could turn your work, and then you'll see you can single crochet these last 2 stitches together. But we're going to leave it at this right here. Most patterns, usually once you get to this point, then it's where it needs to be and you're already starting to fasten off. So anyway, that's it. That's how you do your single crochet decrease. And like I said, it's used quite commonly in patterns like hats and things. You'll use them in mittens and stuff like that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my fun tutorials. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.